Hey guys, if you remember last time we did two little upgrades to the DF54. We simply added a portafilter holder and an adjustable grind dial. And what I wanted to do this morning is show you guys how much these two little upgrades affected my workflow. And I just want to make a quick video to show you guys that I'm loving this two little upgrades, and I highly recommend it. All right, let me go ahead and show you guys my setup here. I got my Breville Bambino that I purchased in 2024, and I got my DF54, as you know, also purchased in 24, and then I have these two little upgrades I did in my previous video that if you're interested, you can go ahead and check that out. What I want to do today is I want to make a cortado. As you know, it's 50% milk, 50% coffee. I'm grinding organic Nicaraguan beans, and I'm gonna do a slow pour into the DF54. I'm gonna go ahead and pull a shot, and this is 15 grams of beans. I'm gonna pull a 30 grams shot, and I'm going to use this to brew this Normcore flat naked portafilter. Let's go ahead and put our portafilter, and let's go ahead and put our dosing funnel. This dosing funnel less than an inch thick. It's MHW3 Bomber brand. It has tons of magnets underneath. When it touches to the basket, top of the basket, and when this machine runs, because of the power of the motor, this thing rattles a little bit, but it's perfectly fine. So let's go ahead and slow pour these Nicaraguans. That's the noise I'm talking about. And if you put your finger on it, it stops, which I don't mind. Here we go. Turn the slide on. It's not working today. Alright. The cool thing about this portafilter holder, I can't even pump without having a mess, and it shortens up the workflow considerably comparing to a dosing cup. So basically I got this, boom, put it in, grab my WDT, do a little bit of a WDT. Doesn't do any clumping. I guess it never did with my coffees, but with the dosing funnel, it felt like a dosing cup, felt like it was a little more than what I thought it will be. But let's go ahead and put this gravity leveler. Spin, 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 spin. Let's go ahead and temp this thing. Scale with the auto timer. Go ahead and remove this so I can show you guys. It's going to be a little fast shot, but that's okay. Okay. While that's happening, I'm going to go ahead and steam our milk. Purge a little bit. And grab our milk. Here we go. Perfect. and get our cup. Here we go. Here it is, you guys. This is how fast a small change like this helps to get the coffee done.